Okay, so in our previous videos we have first made a connection to the database in our DB adapter and with connect and disconnect methods, and then we have created a Coffee Corner database implementation which creates tables, has a setup class and also a setup method and also insert product method. And now I want to get all the products out from the database and display them to the user. So in order to do that, we need to create a model for the products. And if we remember, we had the database table products, had product ID, product name and product price. So let's just right click on our main package and create a new package called domain. New package domain, and let's create a class, new Java class, and let's call it product. And then let's create the variables same as in the database. We have the product ID, product name and product price. Product ID is a long product ID, product name is a string, and product price is a double. Hit Alt and insert and create a constructor. You don't need this. I'm sorry. Try one more time. Alt insert constructor and select all the fields and OK. Hit Alt insert and the getters and setters. Get all. Okay, so our domain is now ready. So let's go back to Coffee Corner database implementation and let's create the select statement here. So the select statement will be a list of products. So let's call it the public list select all products. Public list select all products. And let's hit Alt Enter here and import the list. Okay, so what we need to do first is to create a list that we can return. So I will just call it all products list all products list, and it's a new array list. Like this. So let's import the array list, and the all products list will be our return statement. Just give a comment here. So whenever we call the select all products, we will have a list of all products returned. So in order to get all the products, we need a prepared statement. So just write prepared statement and let's call the variable st, and it equals the connection dot prepared statement and then our SQL statement. So con prepare statement and our SQL here. And our SQL is select product ID, product name, product price from products. Product ID, product name, product price from product. And go to prepare statement and hit Alt Enter. Surround with try catch. Okay, so let's create a result set rs, and it equals the st, the prepared statement, execute query. Execute query. Okay, so while the result set has next we will get the data and put it into our list. So while rs dot next, let's extract the product ID first. Long product ID equals rs get long 1, and let's extract the string product name, and it's rs get string column index 2, and let's extract the double product price. It's rs get double number 3. Okay, let's create a temporary product. Product temp product equals new product. Okay, let's just import the class. Alt enter, import class. So let's send in the product ID, product name, and product price. Okay, so now we have created a product, so we can add it to the list, the all product list. All product list dot add temp product. Okay, so now what we have done is that we have created our list that will hold all of products. We have done a statement towards our SQL which selects everything from products and puts it into our result set. We get the product ID, product name, and product price from the result set, and we create a temporary product with this information, and we add them to the list, all product list, and at the end we return them to the caller of the method. So if we go to our main class, we can try to retrieve all products. So list all products equals, or not just any list, but a list of products is what we need to retrieve. It's select all products dot no, I'm sorry, it's coffee corner db dot select all products. Let's just import the list class, and let's loop through this all products and see what we get. So int I equals 0. So while I is less than all products size, so let's do a print here, system out print, and let's first write the product ID. So it's all product dot get I dot, I think there should be a list of products like this. Same here, a list of products. Just import the class. Let's try to now get it. Get I dot get product ID. Yeah, now we have it. And let's print the name. system out print name equals it's all products, get I, get product name. And the last thing we want is the price, so it's the same. System out print and price equals all products get I, get product price, and then let's say have a print ln here, and then we need to have the I++ to go to the next item of the list. So let's run this, and here we have one espresso, latte, mocha, and we have everything from our database. Okay, so very nice. Let's just make this a bit prettier, the print. Let's just remove the ID because we know it, and then have the name, and then have the price. Just run it. So number 1 cost this, 2 cost this, 3 cost this. Yeah, very good. So we now can retrieve all data from the database.